Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the drone puzzle. The drone puzzle was commissioned by a customer who wanted to have a puzzle toy that was themed after a drone. So the goal of the drone puzzle is to remove the coin. So I'm going to enter the coin through the slots in the wings of the drone, and now it's at the bottom. And the way we lock this is we turn the wings, and the coin can't come out because the slots do not fit. So it's fairly easy to put one over, so now it can go through the white and even through the red one. But the difficult one is the very last one, the orange one. So this is not a solution, so we can turn and maybe turn a bit more and try to get things aligned. But as you have already noticed, all the wings of the drone are connected. Well, except the blue one, that's a fixed wing, so it's not really a drone. But anyway, when you just try to randomly solve it, it's very hard to get the coin out. And the way that this puzzle works is, as you had already seen, there's a gear mechanism at the inside with all kinds of planetary gears that connect all the wings in this way. And you can also see from the backside the same mechanism, and you can take it apart with a screwdriver, of course, if you really want to release the coin. But for now the coin is quite safe in there. And so let's see. And one way to demonstrate the drone is of course like this, but it's a fake drone, it doesn't fly. Anyway, that was a nice commissioned job, and I reused a mechanism that you have seen in a puzzle of mine before. So this mechanism that I'm showing you, what other puzzle have I used this before? Thank you for watching.